quick PhantomWP update. PhantomWP already has a built-in AI assistant that works with an API key. And recently, I added a built-in terminal to the interface. The terminal is available on projects created after the release. On top of that, you can now use Claude CLI directly inside PhantomWP. That means if you already have a Claude subscription, you can use it here with your own account. The integration runs through the built-in terminal. When you open it, PhantomWP shows an Install Claude button. This installs Claude inside your project's codespace, running on your own GitHub account, not on PhantomWP itself. You click it once and wait a moment for the setup to finish. After that, a Launch Claude button appears. You can click it to start or simply type Claude in the terminal. The first time it runs, you select a few initial preferences, like dark or light mode. You're then given an URL to authorize your account. You open it in a browser, approve access, and copy the token back into the PhantomWP terminal. At that point, everything is set up and ready to use. Because this uses your existing subscription, you're not paying per API token. If you're using it for longer sessions or going back and forth, this is often cheaper than using AI APIs directly. What makes this really useful is that it doesn't work in isolation. It has access to a PhantomWP skill, so it understands how projects are structured here. It understands Astro, how WordPress is connected, and the conventions PhantomWP expects. So instead of guessing, it builds things the same way you would. For example, I can ask it to create a new pricing section for this page. I don't describe the design and I don't explain the architecture. It figures that out from the existing project. It generates a reusable pricing component, opens the file it created, and applies it directly to the page. The result is responsive, clean, and consistent with the rest of the site. Because this runs through the CLI, it can also use additional tools. For example, I can install the Frontend Designer plugin in one step. Once that's installed, I can ask it to improve the visual design of the pricing section without changing the structure or the data. The design changes still follow the same PhantomWP conventions. So that's the flow. The built-in AI assistant is still there if you want to use it. And now you can also run Claude through the terminal using your own subscription. Same project, same structure. You just choose how you want to work.